Good morning, students. So let us continue with the multiple choice questions of lesson number 3. In the last video we have discussed 10 multiple choice questions of lesson number 3, that is atoms and molecules. In this video we are going to continue with the same. So let us see another MCQs related to the same chapter. Now see question number 1. Name the Indian philosopher who said the smallest indivisible particles of matter as Parmanu. So the Indian philosopher was Maharshi Kannad. So B is the correct answer. Second question. Who laid the foundation of laws of chemical combination? So laws of chemical combination was given by Lavoisier. B is the correct answer. Next question is, law of definite proportion was proposed by. So the scientist who proposed the law of definite proportion was Joseph Proust or J. Proust. Now see question number 4. Who introduced the term mole in chemistry? So the term mole was introduced by Wilhelm Oswald. So D is the correct answer. Question number 5. The number value 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 is also called Avogadro's number. This number is Avogadro's number, or you can say Avogadro's constant. Question number 6. The number of moles for 52 gram of helium is. So to calculate the number of moles, we know the formula, which is number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. So given mass is 52 and the molar mass or the atomic mass of helium is 4 unit. So 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. So the number of moles present in 52 gram of helium is 13. Next question is, 1 U or 1 AMU, which is atomic mass unit, means 1 by 12th mass of carbon 12 atoms. So atomic mass is the mass of an atom which is equal to 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 atoms. Question number 8. Formula for magnesium chloride. So firstly write the symbol for magnesium and then chloride. Then write the valency. Valency for magnesium is 2 and for chloride it is 1. Crossover and you will get the formula for magnesium chloride as MgCl2. So the correct answer is C, MgCl2. Formula for aluminium oxide. Again, by following the same pattern, firstly write the symbols, then the valency. Valency for aluminium is 3 and that of oxide is 2. Crossover and you will get the formula for aluminium oxide as Al2O3. So D is the correct answer, Al2O3. Now the last question is, the percentage of hydrogen in water molecule is. So here you have to calculate the percentage of water molecule. So to calculate the percentage of water molecule, you should know the molecular mass for hydrogen as well as for the water. So the mass of, or we can say the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So here are 2 atoms of hydrogen present. So 2 divided by molecular mass of water is 18. How we have calculated it? We know the atomic mass of hydrogen, which is 1, multiply by 2 because 2 atoms of hydrogen are present, and we know the atomic mass of oxygen, which is 16. So when we add, we get 18 as the molecular mass for water. Here we have to calculate the percentage, so we have to multiply with 100, and when we divide this, we get 11.11 as the answer. That is the percentage of hydrogen. So the correct answer is B part, 11.11. So I hope all the MCQs related to lesson number 3 are clear to you all. You can practice more MCQs related to this chapter from any of the book, any of the reference book, or you can also take help from the internet. So that's it for this video. Thank you.